I can envy. What a asa ginseng. Ang lala. Danny, do you wanna up Danny? Do you wanna up here? I don't know if I feel or what. I should not feel. I don't know. I'm not sure. Cleansing your beauty blind me because it comes from the heart and I'll get into your eyes. Really, Tenzing. Really. Vanity, where are you from? Philippines. Vanity. I thought you were from my heart. Yes, oh. Wow. How did you know that, huh? You know how to banat, huh? Who teaching you like that? Onyx, hello. Who's teaching you to say that, huh? How did how did you not pick up line? Look, hello. Guys, help me please. Rockstar. Help me if I gone to sleep or what? Your beauty is teaching me. Oh. How can I? Ha? Anong pangalan? Lord Zero ba yan? I'm right. Hello. Hi, JV. Limay. Hello, guys. Guys, help me, guys. If I'm going to sleep or not. Are you lot? Because I want to be nice. Nice pickup line. Lord Zero. Hello. Guys, any question do you want to know about me or what? If not, I go to sleep. Sometimes, guys, it's hard to how can I talk? Wrong. Hello, music. I love music. Am I right? I love music. Partial. Am I right? I love music. I don't know if I'm wrong. I don't know. I'm not sure yet. Is it? Press one if I'm right. Okay. Oh wait. What? Rose? Oh, so sweet. Can I follow you? If it's okay. If not, it's fine. Outfit check. No, I'm not allowed. Because I'm bloated at the moment. Hi Jay, I'm bloated. Sorry. Maybe next time, guys. I'm wearing to dress like maybe a red dress. Do you want, guys? No, I'm just kidding. Oh, so boring. Bakit di lang totohanin ang lahat? So fucking boring. Go Hello. Waiting number, shall we? Kiss me, hello, Scrooge. Hello, guys. Hi, Vin, shall we? Welcome to my life. Until nothing would happen. Boom. I'm so crazy woman, my god. You know what I'm doing here? Actually, I don't know. How can I hear? How can I fall in love to someone if doesn't for me? Tama ba? I don't know, I'm not right. Let's sit and then we'll put in where he is. Do you want hello? I feel sleepy now. Or Cara, hello. Mami Lu, shall we? Hindi ko. Piki nung isa pero hindi naka-live. Ang lala. 8:45 nga yan eh, pero hindi naka-live ang gago. I mean, nasaan yung isa? PK mo? Hindi, may bukas pa yung akin. Nanonood ako ng mga PK. Eh kaso, hindi ko mahanap yung iba. Lakas ng tama. No one shall we? Tomorrow pa yung akin. Si JC, PK niya nga 8:45 eh. Hindi man naka-live. Kupal. Hello. Sino may PK ba? Si JC si JC. 8:45 siya ngayon. Di man naka-live yet. Cool star, hello. Okay. Yeah, can you tell her? Man, di man siya naka-live. 8:45 siya.